congratulate you for going through this training course, for having survived the rigorous training. I'm sure you are not surprised. We've had this traffic agency before, but we wanted to have a fresh start. That is why we are going through this rigorous course. And I will expect that all of you will finally take it, knowing what you have gone through, take the job seriously. Even on resumption, we will not be afraid to sack anybody on that first day. If you think you are going to take all this job for yourself money, better find a way out. We are not prepared to have government officials extorting money from people and giving government bad name. So we still have a chance to have a routine. We want to do this work, we have to do it responsibly. You are not prepared for it, you better stay out. No godfather, nobody is going to beg for you. You saw what you went through this time around. People were bringing names, and we told them the only thing we can do for you is to allow your people to have opportunities. We will not, anybody that failed any exam will not be put on the list. You have been given the opportunity to serve. If you miss it, it's your fault. Even if you are taking, if you are on the final list, if you resume work, again, it's also an opportunity to serve. If you misuse it, you go. Nobody. If the government has not come to give us any name, nobody will be allowed to come and beg us for anybody. So once again, I want to congratulate you, and I ask that you take this job very, very seriously. Before Saturday, we'll begin to invite you to come and take the measurement for your uniform. I want to say we are proud of you, and we ask that you also make us proud. Thank you very much.